Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, open your existing Flutter project or create one, make sure Flutter 3, X, and device emulators are ready. Add the Mapbox plugin to PubSpec. YAML, then run Flutter pubget. Next, place your Mapbox access token into Android manifest, XML and iOS info. Plist, this authorizes map tiles. Once done, initialize the Mapbox widget in a simple scaffold so you see a blank map. This confirms connectivity and token validity before we code user interactions. Now you implement the interactive map. Insert a Mapbox map widget with an initial camera position showing lat/long and zoom. Create and store the Mapbox controller in on map created so you can move the camera or add sources. Add markers by using symbol layer or add a GeoJSON source for many points. This scales better. Make sure to choose an appropriate style URL and request runtime permissions for location if needed. This ensures smooth rendering and correct user interactions. Finish by wiring UI controls, buttons that call controller. Animate camera or move camera, toggle layers, and dispose of the controller in dispose. Test on a real device because emulators can differ. On Android, enable hardware acceleration if tiles don't render. If maps fail, check token validity, plugin version mismatches, and platform config in manifests and Plist. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear app data, reinstall, and inspect runtime logs for authorization or network errors. This usually reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.